The fastest way to grow is to study how to make money, not just keep learning. Many people think growth means constantly stuffing themselves with knowledge to become stronger. But the reality is, you could study for 10 years and still not achieve as much as someone who focused on making money for just 1 year. It's not that learning is useless, it's that what you learn matters more than how much you learn. If everything you study can be monetized, you're just using hard work to numb yourself. Remember, learning and making money are two different things. Even if you memorize every gold mining technique, you won't dig gold out of a book. So stick with this video. It'll show you why some people make money while you don't, reveal the gap between you and them, and teach you how to close it. Hit like and save this for later when you need it. The fastest way to make money is through trial and error. As Wang Jianlin said, a bold spirit is worth more than a Tsinghua or Peking University degree. Harsh, but true. Many people study relentlessly but never dare to put theory into practice. They avoid risks and end up poorer for it. Take two writers, one with a literature master's degree studies classical poetry but never monetizes it, ending up as an underpaid editor. The other, equally passionate, learns content monetization, publishes books, and earns 6 figures within years. It's not that literature is useless, it's about applying knowledge. Making money forces you to learn markets, human psychology, and business, the real skills that build strength. Ever notice how many tycoons become honorary professors, but few professors become business advisors? The answers aren't in books, they're in the mistakes you've made. Studying money forces growth. Psychology calls this a growth mindset, the belief that everything happens for your benefit. If a friend betrays you, ask, did I misjudge them? Was I too trusting? In action, a growth mindset means targeting goals and improving relentlessly. Struggling with video views. You'll learn algorithms and editing. Can't sell products. You'll master conversion rates and design. Money pushes you to solve problems, and each solution makes you stronger. Money reveals business truths. Some believe hard work guarantees success, but choices matter 100 times more. A programmer earning 20 grand a month feels rich, until another freelancing, launching products, and streaming clears $1 million yearly. The difference? One stuck in an employee mindset, the other thinks like a business owner. Remember, making money isn't about what you can do, it's about fulfilling payers' needs. To grow faster with a money mindset, first, learn directly monetizable skills. Skip philosophy for marketing psychology, swap history for business strategy. Second, test markets cheaply. Don't wait to be perfect, start small. Try a $500 booth or free consultations to gauge demand. Third, learn from winners. Study people already rich, not just theories. Aspiring entrepreneurs. Analyze 7-figure small business owners, not MBA cases. Viral creators. Reverse engineer top accounts, not get famous fast courses. You'll find those earning millions never took those courses. Here's $1 million growth formula. Find models, mimic, then optimize. And stop using learning as an escape. Some obsess over studying because it dulls the pain of not earning, it tricks them into feeling progress. But if knowledge doesn't translate to income, it's just self-deception. Real growth. Learn a little, use it, earn a little, repeat. That's why making money is the world's fastest way to grow. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your friends and family. Thanks a bunch.